In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on remove and confirm your choice in the second one. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, in case you wanna restore it, hold your display and hit cards at the bottom left corner. Now scroll all the way down to hit Classic Widgets. Swipe to the left under Google. Click on Search Bar widget, hold it and drag it to the perfect place. Let go and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!